Alright, so we found some danger. Found some adventure swans. We're gonna try and provoke them and see if we can attack them.
Gosh, if you even hit a swan, you're cool.
Alright,
Don't hit him with a giant
I'm gonna
stick.
hit the swan.
Hurry up.
Make it a little closer.
And they're just going away.
Oh my god. Nick, throw a rock! Hit him!
They're scary!
We're just kind of walking around, no real set plan. And not feeling that good. But they're all kind of retarded. So we're just kind of adventuring, ripping it up.
Guys, there's really not much more we can do to it. Yeah, this helps me vent.
Alright, hey, check it out. Oh shit. So we made a little discovery. Looks like we've got, you know, I don't even know what to call this.
Run right through it.
There's some sort of another hobo hut.
Oh my god. That thing's dirty as hell.
So we found this huge waterfall.
Pretty
cool.
violent. Pretty violent.
Go, 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 go!
Yeah. You want to throw the bottle?
No.
Tell me when.
We have plans for it.
It's going. It's going.
Are we going to hit up there and bring a bunch of bottles down? No.
It's still alive.
And I was just like hanging around.
So we're gonna walk
This is
out
the river?
So fast. It's pretty awesome. Adventure. It's just you don't even know what you're gonna find. Alright, so we're out of the woods now.
We're going to the rope swing.
Yeah, we're gonna be going to the rope swing.
Rope swing, oil lake.
We're right on the boulevard.
The boulevard of civilization. We finally emerged from the woods. Come on. Alright, now let's head towards our next destination.
Alright, so we got to where...
Right now.
Alright, right now we just made it to the rope swing. This is Nick's bad idea because we all hate Nick. And he's kind of a douche.
I just pull it up too.
You have to get on the water, bro. Pick it up in your finger.
It's not even real.
Nick, checking me for ticks right now. Do I have any ticks in my hair? Because I've been feeling all kinds of things in my hair, Nick, and it's your fault. Check me. I'm checking me right now.
Running away from my problem.
I swear to God, I have like millions of ticks in my hair right now.
What a paranoid little fuck.
I'm gonna kill all you guys.
Nick, I see something.
Wait.
Oh my god. Hey Nick. Nick.
Yeah.
We hate you. Alright, a little recap. We headed to North Dighton. Roy's mom, she gave us a ride to McDonald's. We walked over to the bird sanctuary. Then the bird sanctuary adventured. Things and went to the book factory. And then kind of navigated our way over there and hit up with the Warner Boulevard. Right now we're just off of the boulevard and we're walking parallel with the book factory. And we're going on our way to Nick's house, so start recording then.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt.